Today, I will show you step by step how to easily create a form with Google Form. Google Form is one of the most practical and free tools for service, registration forms, and feedback collection. Whether you are organizing an event or conducting a data collection process, you can collect the information you need quickly and systematically with Google Form. If you want to see more informative content like this, don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like our video. First, go to forms.google.com from your internet browser. This page will direct you directly to the Google Forms home screen. After logging into your account, you will see options to create a blank form or choose one of the ready-made templates on the home screen that appears. You can start by clicking the blank button to create a new form. First, add a title and description to your form. For example, you can start with the participation registration form and briefly state what the form will be used for in the description section. These fields are important for participants to understand what they will encounter. Then you can start adding questions. For each question, you can choose between different types: short answer, paragraph, multiple choice, checkboxes, drop-down menu, or etc. There are various options available. You can prevent the required questions from being left blank by activating the required option below them. You can also add images or videos to your form. Once your form is complete, you can customize the color, theme, font, and general appearance by clicking on the design palette at the top. Once your form is ready, you can share it by clicking on the Send button in the upper right corner. You can send the form via an email, copy the link, or get the HTML code. Once you have completed all these steps, you will have a functional and professional Google Form. Whether for education, business, or event management, creating digital forms with this completely free tool is much easier than you think.